Yo, what is going on, my YouTube fam? Chad Bennett here, your Make Money Online Coach. And today I wanted to ask you a very simple question, and that is, do you want to earn up to $130 or more of cryptocurrency just for watching videos? If that sounds appealing to you, make sure that you stick with me through this entire video. You are absolutely going to love what I have for you today. I wanted to point out as well that this can be done completely on your smart devices. We're talking about cell phones, tablets, laptops, you guys. If you have one of those, you can get started doing this, just watching video and making up to $130 of cryptocurrency or more with this one single method. So like I said, stick with me through this entire video. Also, if you are brand new to this channel, the first thing that you are going to want to do is make sure that you are subscribed. Smash that subscribe button, you guys. Make sure that you check out my #1 recommendation to make money online. I've left that link right up at the top right here for you. Check that out. This is where I got started about 7 months ago, and I have had insane results, you guys, and I've tried so many different ways to make money online. If you want a real business and you want to break free from your 9-to-5, fire your boss, and have a life of freedom, this is where you want to check out how to get started making money online. The method I'm going to share with you today is great, but you are not going to get rich doing this. It's a great way to make some extra money. So without further ado, let's get started. Are you guys ready to start earning some free crypto just for watching videos? Then the name of the website that you're going to want to be at right now is called Coinbase.com. If you're not familiar with what Coinbase.com is, you guys, it is a cryptocurrency wallet. This is where you buy and sell and hold all of your cryptocurrency. They are one of the industry leaders. They're highly recognized, very reputable. Great place to make some extra money, hold all your cryptocurrency. Now, when you arrive here, the place that you're going to want to focus on so that you can actually start making money with cryptocurrency is right up here at the top where it says Earn Crypto, earn up to $130. We're going to click on this. It's going to bring us over to this page. Now, when you arrive here, basically what you're seeing is a bunch of different modules that have videos in them that you're going to watch. And then afterwards, you're going to take a small quiz, and they're going to ask you about what you watched in the video just to make sure that you retained that information. So you're going to get paid cryptocurrency just to learn about cryptocurrency. If you already have a bunch of knowledge about cryptocurrency, great. Let the video play, answer the questions, and collect your free cryptocurrency, you guys. If you're brand new, this is a great way to learn about cryptocurrency and just get paid for it. So the different ones they have on here are Tezos, XTZ, DAI, EOS, Stellar Lumens, XLM, Zcash, and as you can see right here, they have different amounts for all of these different modules right here. You can earn up to 50 XLM right here. You can earn up to 50 EOS, 20 DAI, and 6 XTZ just for going to these different modules, watching these videos, and collecting your free crypto. They're going to deposit that right here in your Coinbase wallet. So very, very simple. Small disclaimer I do want to point out here is I've heard before that they do put you on a wait list. This has gotten very, very popular, and you could be placed on a wait list, but who cares, right? Sign up, get placed on that list. When your turn becomes available, you can earn up to $130 just on this one website right here, learning about cryptocurrency, watching videos. So I'm going to show you a second method as well of how you can make money just watching videos. So we're going to come over here to this application called Vitter. Now, when you arrive at Vitter.com right here, I want to point out a few things right up here at the top, you guys. This is very, very simple to do. You're going to be simply watching videos. There's a few other tasks that you can do to earn free cryptocurrency, such as Bitcoins. So check this out. When you install this application, and we're talking about smartphones and tablets, you guys, it doesn't matter if you have iOS or Android devices. It's supported in both of those stores, and we're going to look at those in just a second here. But you're going to install this application, and then the way that you actually earn points on this that can be redeemed for Bitcoins is by completing simple tasks, and we're talking about installing apps, watching videos, and completing surveys, you guys. And then you can redeem all of the points that you're doing for doing those things in the form of PayPal, in the form of Bitcoins, Ethereum tokens, or you can also get paid out in gift cards. And they have, Apple gift cards, Target gift cards, Amazon gift cards. So if those sound appealing to you and you don't want cryptocurrency, you can do this as well. So checking this out over here in the Google Play Store, you guys, you can see that it's been rated by 2,895 people. That's a lot of people, roughly almost 5 stars right there. People are absolutely loving this application. I invite you to come down here and read some of the comments that people have left, and they even have more of a description as to what you will be doing on this. They also have an option as well where you can actually refer your friends to this application as well. And for every friend that you refer, you get 10% of their redeemed points for a lifetime, up to 50 points on install, you guys. So refer this out to your friends if you love this as well, and start earning a percentage of all of the tasks that they're completing with this one simple application as well. Checking this out over here in the Apple App Store, it's been rated by 169 people, roughly 4.6 stars. That's a very good rating, you guys. Absolutely love this application. I've been using this. I've been earning free Bitcoin. Come check it out. Real quickly here before we jump off of this, there's one very important tip that I wanted to point out to you, and that is you want to make sure that you have your Coinbase wallet established, you guys. Coinbase is what we were talking about just a few minutes ago. Come here, get signed up for your Coinbase wallet. This is where you want to buy and sell and hold all of the cryptocurrency that you're earning. And the reason for doing this is because if you're using the Vitter app right here, when you have a Coinbase wallet, all of your transactions are free. There's no fees charged for the transaction fee to actually transfer all the cryptocurrency that you're earning to your Coinbase account, and you can do this at 1,000 points. If you don't have a Coinbase wallet, you have to wait till you have 10,000 points to be able to cash out, and you can see that right here, 10,000 points. Alrighty, you guys, so for sticking with me this long, I want to show you one additional way that you can earn some free Bitcoin for watching videos or for doing whatever you are doing on the web. Because if you're willing to swap out your web browser, and what I mean by web browser is Google Chrome, Firefox, Edge, whatever you're using for your web browser, especially if you're familiar with Google Chrome, this is called CryptoTab browser, and it is a web browser. That is all it is, and it feels and looks just like Google Chrome. They've made it very, very simple to import all of your favorites, all of the stuff that you have in Google Chrome or any other web browser right over into CryptoTab browser. And what's really cool about this, you guys, is that if you're using this web browser, whenever the browser is open and you're navigating the web, watching videos, doing homework, whatever it is that you're doing online, you are earning free Bitcoin in the background, because this web browser right here is mining Bitcoin for you. It uses a small percentage of your computer's resources to actually go out there and mine Bitcoin, and you can actually start earning free Bitcoin just for browsing the web. They also have an affiliate program where if you really like this, you can go out there and share this with your friends, your family, and start earning even more free cryptocurrency just by sharing your enthusiasm and sharing how much you like CryptoTab browser. Check this out, you guys. I'm using it right now. I'm actually earning free Bitcoin right now, mining Bitcoin just with this web browser. Alrighty, you guys, let's go ahead and wrap this one up. Like I said, if you are brand new to this channel, or if you've been here before and you have not yet subscribed, make sure that you smash that subscribe button, click that bell notification, select all. That way you're notified immediately when I come out with new content, you guys, and I'm coming out with videos every single week teaching you tons of fabulous new methods of how you can make money online. Make sure that you smash that thumbs up if you found any valuable content in this video at all. It helps to grow my channel, helps to get this information out to as many people as possible, and I am always extremely grateful for every single like that I get. Make sure that you leave some comments, even if you just say make money online. Let me know that you were here. Let me know that you watched this video. If you found anything of value to you, if you have any questions, I'll get right back to you, get those questions answered as well. So that is all I'm going to have for you today. Make sure that you check out my #1 recommendation, you guys. That information is right over here. It's in the top of the description of this video. You can click on that. That is where I got started, like I said, 7 months ago, you guys, and literally I've been at it for 15 years trying tons of different crazy businesses. I've wasted so much time, so much money. These guys right here take you by the hand and show you exactly what works to make money online. If that sounds interesting to you, make sure that you check that out. So that's a wrap, you guys. I will see you on the next one. Peace.